how to use payroll in QuickBooks. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use payroll in QuickBooks. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is select the payroll tab in QuickBooks Online. Over here, you'll find the overview section. This is where you pay your team. If you just signed up for QuickBooks Online Payroll, you'll see a list of tasks to set up payroll correctly. Over here, you can also use the setup guide or check out videos to help you start. After that, once you've run payroll for the first time, this page shows shortcuts to commonly used functions like adding employees and editing payroll items. Then, from the Employees tab, you'll see a list of employees you've added, along with important details like their pay rate. Over here, you can select an employee to view more details or select Add an employee to set up a new hire. After that, you can also invite employees to QuickBooks Workforce so they can view their paychecks, paid time off, and W2s online. Then, from this screen, you can pay employees and run payroll just for bonuses if needed. Next, the Contractors tab is where you track contractors for 1D99s. Over here, you can set up new contractors or pay them through check or direct deposit. Then, QuickBooks Online Payroll helps you choose a workers' comp plan and employee benefits like health insurance and retirement plans using benefits partners. If you use Payroll Premium or Elite, you can also access the HR advisor to help with hiring, onboarding, and setting policies. Over here, the Compliance tab is where you can read the latest news on payroll taxes and rules. So that's how you can use payroll in QuickBooks. That's all for this video.